We've been talking in the security security industry over the last 5-7 years about integration, interoperability, convergence of systems, and over the last 3 or 4 years about artificial intelligence. And there's a lot of people thinking, okay, well, what effect is this going to have, or is it having, on the traditional role of systems integrators within the security industry? I think what it is doing to our industry is that it is forcing ourselves to upskill, to be more aware of life outside of our little security bubble and our technology bubble, and we need to be aware of how security systems can augment other systems within the built environment. So I think the skill set within security systems integrators needs to be augmented, so that we're aware that when we actually implement a security system, we need to be thinking about what other processes within an organization does the security system impinge on, and what does that mean? Are we going to be looking at driving more efficiencies, or potentially driving more efficiencies within an organization because we're using an integrated security system, or actually advising customers that if they do implement a security system in a particular way, it will actually drive more efficiencies within their client organization. So you can actually be using the security system as the driver for other organizational change and productivity enhancements and sustainability deliverance mechanisms within an organization.